The RP3 has been a great device for the bottom of the doors for a very long time. And for much of that time, the actuator was a little cam that went in there with one screw. It was a round cam. Now that's changed into this shape of actuator, and we have two screws for fixing it to the jam. Now the reason this has happened is because this is actually an improvement. The RP3 has to have a 3mm gap to the jam so that it opens cleanly, and the purpose of this is to really seal up that gap, okay, and still actuate the RP3. So the way we're going to do that is that the flat side goes to the RP3, and we just push it down until the blade makes a nice seal on the threshold, and then with the screws we mark where the screws go. Best to pilot hole that and then screw the actuator on, and then we have this little cover that goes on the top, makes nice. So I can't actually do that from this angle, so I will come around the other side and mark with the screws, and then pilot and screw the actuator to the jam. So I have marked with the screws, I've drilled pilot holes and screwed the actuator into the latch side jam. So now it just remains to actually test it, and that's a really good seal on the threshold, so happy with that. And the last thing is to actually just put the cover plate on the actuator. That's it, and job done. And that is a black RP3, and you get that from the ecomasterstore.com.au.